Hey guys, this is me, Louise. I just want to update my fans on how as you can tell, it's snowing. It's just 2 to 4 inches, but still good amount here. And as you can tell, my day is shot, basically. And I was having a good day all day. And then all of a sudden, here we are. I have to walk home. So I had to go this morning to see my metabolic weight loss center doctor. And that went alright. I got an Uber to and from there pretty well. I got home pretty easily. But no. I went to do my taxes. I got down just fine. I was able to get an Uber over to my bank to do some quick last minute banking. Okay, so that went well. Then after my taxes, my family all went through shit basically. The fucking Uber kept sticking around on me. He kept fucking around on me. I was trying to get a ride. I tried 10 times before I finally gave up. I said I had to effing walk home. So that's what I've been doing for the past half hour, 45 minutes. Damn, just to take my time and walk home. It's not easy, I tell you. One of my legs stiffens right up on me pretty easily these days. Mostly in the bad weather. It's just like a stiff, sore leg. And sometimes I think it's my foot too. But yeah. So I've been walking home for the past half hour since 2:30 pretty much. It's almost 3 now. It's very hard to walk in the snow, especially for somebody like me. I'm very afraid of us. But if I slip on something around here and take a tumble, that wouldn't be cool. But I have to pretty much walk home. It's never easy for me. And on the plus side, I do have to lose weight, and this is a good way to do it. Plus, it's also a good practice. Speaking of, it's still a little early, but I can tell you guys probably. Since January, I met through my BRS counselor, Lucy Trusack. I met Julie Anderson. Nice, very nice lady, very nice person. She's been by my side through the whole finding a new job adventure. Basically, it's always been tough for me to find a job. It's never easy for me to find a job. It's never easy for a big, fat, ugly, hearing impaired person. So yeah, I admit it. It's big, fat, and ugly. Anyway, back to the topic again. So I met Julie through BRS. Julie Anderson from Ability Beyond, it's called. Basically, looking at me, you wouldn't think I'm disabled. But, with my hearing impairment, and I do have a learning disability, But at one time, I think in school I had a learning disability, which I kind of conquered, went above and beyond it, basically, conquered it. But anyway, I didn't like reading at one point or something, and now I enjoy it. And even while watching TV, read the captions. It's part of the fun of watching a show. I just like that part. I keep getting off topic. I don't know why. Anyway, so back to Julie. So I met with her, and I think it was around New Year's Eve. So, I discussed with her what my goal was, which was to basically find a full-time job either in retail or working in the kitchen. So, over the past, I'd say, 3 months now, I'd say give or take 2.5, 3 months, we worked hard together. She pointed me in different directions. I had a couple of interviews. Unfortunately, they didn't work out. I'm not sure why, but I think it had to do with the fact that maybe I didn't have the right side. I didn't have the right advice at the time. But then came Canada. So Julie pointed out the Indeed website, which I applied online to get the job at Canterbury. Well, within a couple of days, Shannon Green and Allison, I'll say Allison M because it's a very hard to pronounce last name and I don't know Patrick. So I go in for the first interview, which was late February. I'm being a little vague with the details because, I don't want to be too specific. So anyway, I go in late February. Did very well for the first interview because, Julie was there to help me out with that.